truth, but I just don't know. I see thoughts that come alive, I move blindly down this road. I'm hoping you'll find all my steps on the way. I'm leaving the fortress, I don't wanna wait another night away from you. I'm coming home. You slip into my life, I trip into your eyes, look at me. Every missing piece, collecting memories now. I see all this time that I have run from you. You're the one that I've been running to. Here and now is where it all begins. So let your heart give in. So let your heart give in. So let your heart give in. Drowning in the depths of your love, I'm going down. Will you let the overflow come and lift me off the ground? Without the choke and the second sentence, I'm breathing too hard. I want this to last for every moment that I will ever have. Starting now. You step into my life, I trip into your eyes, look at me. Every missing piece, collecting memories now. I see all this time that I have run from you. You're the one that I've been running to. Here and now is where it all begins. So let your heart give in. So let your heart give in. So let your heart give in.
I'm just saying, if you're not a fan, if you're not a fan of that song, you must be out of your damn mind. You must be out of your damn mind. Ah. Alright. Hello. How's it going? If, I felt the song was appropriate. Alright. Oh, hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. How's it going? You know. Okay, I saw your little meme there. So, if you guys remember, tonight we're gonna do that Twitch play. Missed me at the end there? Yeah, I know. I tried to get that nap on. Couldn't do it. I've been chugging like Pepsi and trying to stay caffeinated to keep the headache down and trying to ride it out. I got my I got a COVID test tomorrow. So excited. Can't wait. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it's negative. I'd prefer that. I would greatly prefer that. Okay. Let's get started on this. I think the music volumes are good, right? Okay. So, I got this right here. We're gonna kinda... Ooh, wow, that's a lot of stuff right there. We are going to basically kind of do this somewhat from the beginning. Not completely. I actually did a lot of the work previously, but I'm going to go through it. I'm going to kind of type it out and explain everything that's going on so you guys know. I might copy and paste a couple things, but the stuff that I copy and paste, I will explain everything that's going on in it, so that you are aware. Whoa, Chris with the resub, my goodness. 10 months, you're insane. You're absolutely insane. I appreciate it, though. Okay, so, before we can actually get to the entire, like, process of doing, like, you know, the gameplay controls, that we have to connect to the Twitch chat first, and, like, get all the stuff that we're gonna work with, alright? So, right here, I've got a folder. It already has a file in it that's config. That's one of the things that I did beforehand. That has the OAuth token that we're going to use to actually connect to the chat. This is like our special password thing. And I'm not showing it to you guys. Not that I think any of you can do anything with it. Just, I don't want it out there as public knowledge type of deal. Turn that down just a wee bit. Yes, that's another thing that we're working on. That's later. That's later. We talked about that one. That one's not ready yet. But that's going to be like a random, you know, you get to pick like a random number range, then it's going to pick something, and it's going to sell everything on that row in the stash. That'll be fun. That's not the goal tonight, though. Tonight, we want to do the Twitch plays for Fallout. So, like I said, I got the config file there. I'm going to add a new file here. This will be the main one right here. So I need a couple of things that I got to import. The first one that I need is going to be socket. I need socket in order to connect to Twitch. We're going to import threading, because this is going to allow us to do things, multiple things at once, if that makes any sense. Hold on. Let's get something. I like that one. Let's go with that one. Threading will let us do multiple tasks at the same time. I'm going to import Pi Auto GUI. I'm going to shorten it to just Pi, though. Nope. Actually, we'll do Auto. There you go. That'll work. Then I also want to import sleep. And then I want to import my config file. So this should be everything that we need for what we're doing here. So the way that this works is, first, we're going to connect to a server. I'll go do this all caps here. Well, I'll try to do it in all caps. Stop that. Okay, you know what? Kite, you are actually pissing me off today. Get out of here. I don't want you to do that anymore. So we got a server, and then we have a port. So port is that, 66667. We are connecting to IRC twitch.tv. Basically, all this is we're asking for access to the Twitch servers, so that we can get, like, you know, with their actual API and all that. The port that we're doing, that's the standard port that we connect through. We always have to use that one. There's really not much to say on that one there. Now, what we're going to need is we're going to need a password. Yeah, we'll just do all caps password. How come Kite is still going? Didn't I quit you. Shut down. Stop coming up here. We'll just call it pass. So I need pass, and then we'll have the bot name, have the channel, and then the channel owner. Usually channel and owner will be the same, but we keep them separate just to make it easier on us, basically. So the password is in the config file, so for this I need to put pass equals config dot... Oh, token. That's what I put it. That's what I put. Yeah, okay. So the bot, we're just going to call it, let's call it the Fallout Plays. Okay. Then, like I said, this is going to be the same thing. Channel is going to be our main channel we're going with. You're going to see this pop up in the chat. That's pretty straightforward. These are just variables that we're going to be using later on. And then I need... Oh, yeah, I need message, which we're just going to make as a blank template. Let's do the double quotes. And user. These are things we're going to call on very frequently. IRC, we're going to set our socket here. Okay, and then we're going to connect. And within this, I need another set of parentheses. We're going to have the server, port, IRC, send. And this is going to have our pass plus, yeah, we should do a new line with that. Okay, let's see. I'm actually going to copy this. No, wait. Wait, I did that wrong. Copy that section there. We'll bring it here. There we go. And then what we need is we need to pass the nickname and our join. So bot channel. Then at the end of this, because we're not in UTF-8, we have to encode it into that. This allows us to be able to read it, do all that fancy stuff, right? Okay, so now what we need is we need a couple functions. We need, let me look at my notes here just to make sure I got this all right. Yeah, okay. So we're going to need the game control specifically. Then we're going to need our Twitch. So what's going to happen here is game control is going to be what actually operates on the computer itself and will, you know, be pushing all the buttons and stuff. That's pretty straightforward. We're going to get to that in just a bit. For now, we're going to focus on the Twitch portion down here. So I'm going to define global variables, user message. Sorry, I'm just going through my notes here. So here I'm going to define my join chat. This actually has quite a bit to it. I'm going to copy paste this. I'm going to explain what this is all doing. Okay. So what we got here is while we're loading, we're doing a read buffer. Basically what this is making sure that we're connecting. It's letting us know that we're connecting. We're going to print a statement. It's going to come onto the console. You'll see that when I demonstrate it by the end of this. And for every line, it's going to be printing the line, loading time, all that stuff. That's basically what all this is taking care of in more or less words. There's more that it's actually doing in the background, but all that you need to know is just that's what that's taking care of right there. That's purely for joining the chat. So when we call on that later, that's what that's going to take care of. Then down here, I've got my loading complete, which that has a bit to it too. I'm going to go ahead and copy paste that. Most of this I already had it working before. I'm just kind of walking through and explaining it to you guys now. We're not doing the actual, like, you know, problem solving bit. This is just explaining what's happened so far. Okay? So here, this is just the loading complete. It's going to print out that the bots joined the channel. And it's going to say our channel basically in this. Chat voice commands. Oh yeah, that's right. So I pulled this from a voice commands thing. So this is actually going to be, we're going to change this here. So this is going to send a message, whatever message we want. Let me clear the whole thing actually. So we want it to send, There we go. Some stupid dinky little message like that, right? Okay. Oh, and then the false and true, it's basically just saying, like, if we're still loading, it's going to return true. If we're done loading, we're going to return false, is what that's going to do at the end of that. That's going to be important later. Then I've got my send message function right here. Right here, this is the temporary message, which is going to equal the message and the channel. So this is going to look at the specific channel. And the private message number. Most of this is just for my sake. You don't really need to worry about this. But then it's going to send this temp message and it's going to encode it so that it's readable, if that makes any sense at all. Okay, and then I got a couple other things here. Let me grab these here. Okay, this is quite a bit right here. It looks like a lot, but basically all that's happening here is this, get user. It's exactly what it says, okay? It's going to... Sorry about that. I have random songs on my liked list, just so you know. So right here, what this is going to do... Oh, up here. What this is going to do is it's going to go through and... Why do I have the globals commented out? I don't remember. If that works, I'm just going to uncomment those. I don't think we actually need those. So what this is going to do basically is it's going to look in the chat, because if you notice, everything in the chat has a format, right? So if you look over at Twitch chat, you'll notice when I type, I'll say hi, okay? You'll see that there's my username, there's a colon, and then there's the actual text. What we're doing here is we're basically splitting the lines, right? So right here, we got, you know, we get the colons, line.count. It's going to find out how many colons are in it. Colon list, we're just going to take colons -1. So basically, it's counting the entire line and minusing the colon, because most people aren't going to put colons in it. Separate, right here, we're going to split at the colon. And then the user equals separate colon list.split. So this is basically, the user is the left-hand side of the colon. Separate is the right-hand side of the colon. Well, it's actually the full colon, but right here we're basically just extracting the user. Then this is the same thing, but now we're going on the right-hand side, we're extracting the message. And then right here, the console line. This is just a little check, basically, is all we're doing right here. No need to worry about that. Okay, so then, underneath that, we're going to actually join the chat. We'll just call it right there. And then we're going to send Capric Twitch.tv tags and oh nope. There you go. Okay. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm sending another like request out to Twitch itself. And you kind of have to do these. This is some weird syntax thing that you just have to do. I can't really explain it. I don't fully understand it myself. Weird as that may seem, but basically that's just kind of a requirement that you got to put in there with it. Oh, I think I need to space that out just a bit there. Okay, that should be good. Okay, now I'm gonna have a while statement that's a little bit big. Just a little bit big. We're going to put it right underneath here. Now, this has quite a bit going with it. This is going to print out a lot of stuff to the console, and it's taking care of a few things for us. So one of them, it's the read buffer. It's going to continuously do that. It's going to decode it. It's communicating with Twitch. Right here, we've got our ping. Basically, Twitch requires us to send them a ping. It's like a handshake, basically. But you can describe it like a ping pong, right? So we ping, boop, we hit it, and then they pong back to us. It's just kind of like saying, yes, we received your message, we'll send you one too. That lets them know that we're still using the connection, that they don't have to close it down on us. And then... Well, no. So they're pinging us, we're ponging back to them. I explained that in a really bad way there. So what we're checking is if they send this ping to us in any line, we're actually going to send the pong back. I got it reversed in my head. Networking is really weird. Okay, just keep that in mind. So as long as that is good, what we're going to constantly be trying to do is trying our user function we defined earlier and our get message function we defined earlier whenever there's a message that comes in. And then we're going to print the user with the colon message. We're basically kind of reconstructing the message here in the terminal. And I'll show you that later. You'll see how that's going to work. And then if for any reason that it doesn't quite work, we're just going to kind of pass this exception you know, we're just gonna say, yeah, we don't really care if we throw an error for whatever reason, we're just gonna let it go. To watch you and Brandy Sandy on Facebook. Brandy Sandy? What's Brandy Sandy doing, huh? Okay. So, we've got that there. Then, so down here, this is the bit, last big bit, really, before we get to the good meat stuff. Let's see, is equal to... Oops, I dropped something there. Oops. I'm not the brightest there. You don't really need to understand what this is. This is just kind of like a standard, kind of like a catch-all type of thing. Oh, Brandon Sanderson. Oh, okay. See, I should have known that, but I'm stupid. Please forgive me. Okay, in the main function, this is where that threading is going to come into place, okay? So we've got our first thread. Just going to equal threading, thread, the target, it's Twitch. We start that thread. That's literally it. And then for the second one, oh, not dot, it's threading. It's the same thing as up above. Come on, you can type that. And we're gonna do this one as the game control. Oop. Now you might be asking, where are those that we defined? Well, we actually did them earlier up here. See the Twitch? That first thread is going to run all of this. See that big chunk right there? That's where most of the infrastructure for this is going to be happening. And that's most of the stuff that you're not even going to see. This is just to kind of connect us, right? So if you want to know more about that stuff, I'd be happy to explain it to you. But for what we're doing today, we don't really need it. Okay? Perfect. Now, we will start that thread. And then also, I added this in today because I noticed sometimes I can't just Control-C out of it. And basically what this does here, this is just gonna, if we want to stop the script, I'm gonna type this phrase right here, and then it stops the script. Technically, you guys can do it too. You're not gonna want to because you're gonna want to actually try to play the game. This is mostly for me, just to make sure that this program closes once we're done. Then we come down here, and then basically we just call it. And it's just gonna constantly run from that point. But before we do that, we want to come up to our game control here and just do a pass. Basically what that is going to do is it's just going to say, you know, we're not going to do anything here. What happened here? Unexpected indent. Oh, oops. Oops. No, wait. Where's the... What does it mean, unexpected indent? Hold on, did I do something wrong? I must have. Nah, that's gotta be a PyLinter. Yeah, it was a PyLinter issue. I don't know why that came up. I was like... For a second, I thought this sitting right here was throwing it off, but it wasn't. I don't know what was up with that. Hopefully it doesn't break. Okay, so from right here, this should run totally normal. So if we run it, you can see it's going through. We can use it to troll everyone else though, right? Well, it just depends. Unknown command? How come it does unknown command? Hold on, maybe it needs something in the game control. Probably does. So let me copy and paste just our little test stuff. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Let's try that. Unexpected indent. It did it again. Expected an indented block. Oh, it's this. Okay, so we're just gonna do like, test, and then we just want it to send a message, IRC. No, I just want it to send. Hold on. Brain fart. What do I want it to do? I want it to send a message. I think it can just do that. No value. Nah. I think I do need the IRC. okay? So, throw out everything that I said. I have no idea what I'm talking about anymore. No, but basically, this is all the exact same code that I typed out, showed you guys before. Nothing really changed. Only thing that's different is I had to change the OAuth token. For some reason, it's not coming from my config file anymore. It was working literally yesterday. I don't know what's going on. So, that's cool. That's cool. Okay. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a bunch of commands, and then those commands we're also going to put into this variable up here. Well, not this variable, this list, so that you can always refer to it later, right? It's going to be prefaced with an exclamation mark because that's the easiest thing to remember. This is where the fun part is going to come in. In order to make this work, we have to go into the game itself, and we're going to have to figure out exactly what we need, okay? We've got a couple of tools that we can use for this. One of them is going to come... I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Why'd I go up there? No one's going to do anything. It's just a Twitch chat. I don't even know why I care so much. Basically, we're going to have to... we're going to need the Pile2GUI's like mouse info function so that we can find wherever the mouse is on the screen. We want to be able to actually, you know, say, I want to go here, I want to go there, I want to move around. And to do that, we're going to need a bit of math. Yes, not difficult math. It's just going to be basic math. And we're going to fill this entire loop right here with all our commands. This is going to get really long, really long. So with that in mind, let's kick Steam up. I'm going to open up Fallout. We're going to take you through the whole problem-solving process that goes with this, okay? It's going to be great. We're going to have a good time. We're going to run into some roadblocks. I'm probably going to get upset and stumped, and then I'm going to go play a game. Because I've already made way more mistakes than I should be making. HY35. But it'll be good. Once it's done, it's going to be a fun thing. Guarantee it. It's going to be fun. We're all going to love it. Alright, Steam, are you downloading anything? You better not. Watching you. Okay. So, I played it for about 17 minutes. You know, just kind of feeling it, getting a feel for the game. One of the issues we're going to have, you're going to see here. You might not be able to see it very well on your screen. When I hit play, turn the music off. Ooh, you're going to see, like, everything kind of shifted all funky. And there you go. We've got that issue that we're going to have to deal with. So, what I have to do, because the window changes, I have to come down to the game capture. Grab that. It's 1024 by 768. Okay. Oh, that's the other thing. So, here's a fun fact. So, with an old game like this, you'll notice when you Alt-Tab, it's not actually showing up on any of these windows, right? So, another challenge that we have is we have to come into, like, our task manager, come over here to the Fallout exe, and expand it, and you gotta switch to. And then it brings it up to the front. So now we gotta see... Ooh, yeah, you see that? Here's the thing. While this is the way it is, I actually am not able to jump out. Oh, wait, there's actually a couple settings here. Nice. Oh, screen settings. Scaling ×2. Full screen. Oh, wait. I didn't realize this was a thing. Oh, it has 1920 by 1080. We're saved. We're saved. We don't actually have to change anything. Oh, my goodness. Kind of. Ugh. See those black bars on the side? Okay. That should be fine, though. So what I want to do is I want to see... Let's go into a new game. It doesn't matter which character we take. This isn't the actual game. We're just trying to get a feel for what the screen looks like. Oh, perfect. It does give you the full range of the screen. Perfect. So let's see. So we know that our arrow keys move the camera around. And that's probably what we're going to use because we want our mouse, you see the red hexagon right there? That hexagon is our point of reference. That's how we know where we are. What we want to do is whenever we move, like so, we want to make sure our mouse stays where the character is so that we know where to go. You know, like moving so far to the left and to the right, up, down. That'll help us to navigate. But the other issue is when we move the screen, the mouse is going to go with us. It doesn't stay on the character itself, right? So if we can't get it perfect, that's going to be a challenge for you guys as the chat to try to navigate around, right? Which is fun. Oh, and here's the other thing. So this is actually combat right here. So there's our inventory. So what sucks about the combat is you have to use the right click. Do you see how it cycles through different things? You can see all the enemies. There's your movement, there's your interact, and then there's your attack, right? So we have to make sure that you can switch to the appropriate thing, right? And it's just going to be right clicks, you know, just switch mode. So what you'll need to do is then you'll have to move it to what you want to hit, and then you have to click. Well, we don't have action points, so we'll need that. We'll need to be able to come down, click on turn, and then do like that. Hey, we killed the rat. Nice. Perfect. Okay. So when we're not in combat, we just have two modes to deal with. So we can just have just one that's the mode select, right? We'll probably just call it that. Then we have our arrow keys. We've got an inventory button, but when we press it again, it doesn't close it. Escape closes it. So we'll use escape for a lot of our back out functions. And then what else have we got? Right here. Okay. This is another thing. Unlike most modern games, we can't just click and do like a hot swap over. So we have to actually take it, move the mouse over here, and drop it. Which is a little annoying, but I found out, check this out. That's not what I wanted, actually. Let me unequip that. Okay, so check this out. Not enough action points. There you go. We have to accidentally go into combat there. Okay, so the knife is down here, right? What is super nice is we can be anywhere here. All we gotta do is just grab from the top, come over here, and click, and see, it goes immediately to that. It automatically sorts for us. You can see everything moves, too. I can just do all. That'll be fine. So, we can just go from the top. This is the only coordinate we need. And then just to the... just somewhere over here. It doesn't really matter where. And then we need... yeah, arrow keys aren't going to work, are they? Nope, just mouse clicks. So we can click all. Okay, so inventory is going to be a bit of a beast to deal with. That should be fine, though. So what I would recommend, when you guys get to play, use this as your way to kind of see where you're pointing, and then get it where you want, right-click to get the arrow, and then interact whatever you want to do. Use this, because this is a lot easier for you to see. You know what I mean? Alternatively, we could change the resolution a bit to zoom it in some, but we'll go with this. Game preferences, text delay, language filter. Oh, it doesn't give me the screen options here. Okay, that's fine. So if I do that, it takes me out completely. That's annoying. So what I need to do is see if there's a borderless setting so we can swap between these fairly quickly. Enable or disable windowed mode. I don't know which one is this. Enable? I'm guessing that's enable. Yes, it is. Okay. You can't even see the window up there. Oh, I can click off of it and nothing happens now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up our code. Oh, is it locked to the front though? Does it force itself into the front? Oh, you bastard. That's gonna be annoying. Okay. We can deal with that. Okay, let's click on some tunes now. We need to make our command list. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go, where does that game control? Right here, okay. So right here in this, we're gonna make just a lot of space for us to work with so we can see easy. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna comment, make it a little easier for it to see where we're working in. Alright, okay. So, what do we need here? Okay, so we know we need to be able to move up, move down, move left, move right. And then we need to move the camera left, camera right, move camera up, move camera down. Okay, so that's going to be all of our, like, the camera controls, and oh, and when we're moving up, we're going to set it for, like, any number. Yeah. And then moving the camera, we're probably going to have that at a fixed value, so whenever you press it, it's going to go so far left and right. I don't feel like trying to have you guys fine-tune that. Well, we could probably honestly just kind of copy these functions and then just make it the same for the camera. So I'm just going to move it to the right. Okay, so we got that. So we need a mode cycle, which is going to be basically the right click. We need an inventory command. An inventory command, what else do we need? What else do we need? Oh, right. We need to take from inventory. Well, take from object. That'll make it more advanced. And then put in object. Because I'm hoping that screen that we were at is the same, like, ratio throughout. What else would there be? What else would there be? We'll have to make some more commands later as well. As, like, things kind of come up, because we can't account for everything. Unless we just have you, like, move the mouse incrementally, so to speak. So what else do we need? What else do we need? Oh, I'm gonna need, another Python file. This is gonna be our, we're just gonna call it mouse info. I'm gonna import auto GUI as auto. No, stupid kite. Then auto.mouse info. There we go. I want something a little calmer. Okay, so what this mouse info is gonna do basically is it's going to come up with this right here, okay? And what this will let us do is basically we can hover over things. No, I didn't want that intro, thank you. So you can see it gives us like a little color value, gives us our RGB color value. If we want to use that, that's actually a way that we can navigate and find stuff in the game. But we're mostly concerned about the XY position. You can see wherever I go with it, it's going to give me the position on the screen. It doesn't matter right here in this window because we want it more full screen. Or we could do like, here. If I put... Oh, that's interesting. There you go. So we could put the camera down like this, and you could play like right here, but that's not very fun. You can't see a whole lot, so we are gonna get this working on the full screen, is what we want. So this, you're not gonna see this bit. This is actually gonna sit over on the other monitor while I have this on full screen and I write down all these values, right? And we're just gonna record all the values right here just in comments, and then we're going to port them over, is the idea, okay? Pretty simple, you know, for that. That's all that we need to know for all these, like, movement commands. We also need to know what the distance is between each hexagon, right? So if we come back, I'll just show you right here. If we come back into the game, we'll just take this dude, why not? Skip that. Skip that. So, theoretically, if I just go straight to the right, I should stay on a horizontal line, right? And the same thing if I go to the left. Provided I don't stray. Which, you know, I'm human. I'm gonna not go in a perfectly straight line. The computer will. Or should. But, we're not, like, in a straight, perfect line all the time either. Oh my gosh. Yeah, kick it. Yeah. Stomp that rat into the ground. So, yeah. When I go up, it's not going to be exactly perfect, so that's why we're going to make it so you can choose as many numbers as you want to go up, down, left, right. And it's going to be, like, fairly standard-ish. And hopefully it's enough for what we need, because there's a lot of small objects. Obviously, like these rats and stuff, but it's turn-based, so you're not, like, time-critical on anything, because you can take your time to try to, you know, maneuver around and actually select the things that you want to select. That, theoretically, right? So I'm actually gonna leave that up. Put it right there, and then we're gonna bring this back over here. Okay, music back on. Okay, so all of these, like, movement commands, that's going to be super simple. We just need the mouse coordinates. We need to determine the actual math left to right about what we need to go, and then up and down. It'll be pretty simple. What is this? Unexpected indent. Oh, it's probably thinking it's not part of this. Because, like, I separated it, you know. It doesn't know where the line is. That's kind of funny. Anyway. I'm just trying to make sure that we got everything. Oh, we need to be able to attack. Well, you can do that with the cycling. Oh, so I need to be able to equip weapons. Equip weapons and then switch weapons. Right. Thanks for reminding me, guys. You're a great audience. Truly. You're doing fantastic right now. So, that's good enough to get started. Yeah, yes. You're all staring in fascination, I'm sure. You're dumbfounded at the monkey brain that came up with this. Oh, shoot. Oh. I got up a little too fast. Oh. Like I said, I'm not feeling 100%. While I'm sitting down, it's great. Oh, I start moving around and I feel like I'm getting my ass kicked. More like confusion? You just noticed the mini fridge? It's been there a while. Ooh. So what's got you confused? You want me to, like, clarify anything? Because, I'm happy to clarify if you're confused and want to know more about something. Okay. Let's start with the coordinates. Well, the ratios that we need for walking around. Just got back? Oh, nice. Oh, good. It's good to eat dinner. Okay. So, let me come over My mouse info. We're gonna run that. Gonna get that started. Bring it over to the side. You're not gonna be able to see this. And then I'm also gonna have my comments ready here. Let me see. What do I need? I need... So, let's go with horizontal. And then vertical. We're gonna kind of guess on a lot of this, too. Oh, whoops. Okay. Oh, you know what? Actually, that's perfect. Let's come down here. Get, like, into the center to get a fairly clean slate, right? So from here, if I go to the left enough to move it... Well, here. What's easier? Okay, so that's the center right there. Okay. So horizontal, I'm looking at about 1044. Right? Go to the left. Oops. $9.95. Oops. And minus 1021, let's say. We'll do that as to start. And then from the center here again, or what we believe is the center, I've got a Y value of 547. And if I go down, sure, there, why not? I'm looking at 565. Okay. So let's do that real quick here. Oops. Okay. Alright, so this is what we got about right here. We'll just do some quick little math here. We're looking at about 23 on the horizontal. And then this isn't going to be super awesome math, by the way. We're looking at about 18. Right there. That seems fairly reasonable. Those aren't like perfect round, you know, 10 numbers, you know, 5 and 10 and all that, but what can you do, right? So, let's... No. Give me something relaxing. No, relaxing, I said. That'll work, fine, whatever. So move up, we're moving in units of 18. Units of 18. Move down, units of 18. And horizontal was units of 23. Okay, so we got that. And then moving camera left, right. That's just going to be units of 1 press, specifically, for all that. That's just to help me remind myself. And then inventory, that's going to be like a couple step process there. Couple step process there. I'm just going to put like 3 in these. They may not require 3, they may need more, may need less. But these aren't just like simple motion commands. Switch weapon should just be 1. I'm just going to leave that as is. Because all that is just pushing that button down there above the inventory. That should be fine. Okay, this is enough to get us started. So, we're going to close that. Now then, what we're going to do is we're going to start with just the move up. We'll get that out of the way, okay? If move up, and we don't want to equal to because we're going to allow the possibility for numbers, okay? So we're going to put in. That's what we're going to change there. That's a kind of a Pythonic term that you can use. Basically, it says that if this phrase is in the message, but it's not the full message, we're going to do this that we're doing right here, okay? Pile to GUI dot press. Why is that? Why is that? Whatever, we'll go with it. I don't need to shorthand it. So, if we want to move up, we're actually not pressing anything. We're actually gonna move to... Shoot, I need to define some XY values, don't I? X position, Y position. I'm gonna set these to 0 to start with. Well, no, let's do more like 200, because 00 puts it up in the top left screen, which is like the default for exiting out of PyAutoGUI functions. That's the escape motion right there. We don't want to do that, so 200 by 200 puts it up in the top left. If we were to call on it at the default value, we could put it at the center of the screen though, couldn't we? Ooh, that would be genius. That would be genius, because, and here's the thinking. If we position in the center of the screen, we can click there and move the character there, and then we will know exactly where to go from there if we need to reset. That's like our get unstuck deal. Because all you gotta do is just move the camera around. You can just, move the mouse there, and then you never have to find where the character is to move again. Or you can just, click somewhere else to move. You don't have to go back to the center where the character is. You just gotta move the mouse and know where the mouse is. That's genius. So what am I thinking here? What am I thinking? So we could go with like... $19.20. Hold on, I don't want to do the math in my head. I want to be positive. $5.40. Okay, so to test this... I don't want the mouse to constantly move to the center, though. So what I could do is just set center X, center Y. There we go. Now those are just positions that I can call on at any point. Now X and Y are values that haven't been defined yet, so now I'm going to instantiate them as 0, and then they're going to get changed at some point in here. Like the first time you use them, you'll never have to worry about it again, because this while loop is going to constantly go, so we should be fine with that, right? So if we want to move up, what we're doing here in this is we're going to take X plus equals 18. X is the only value that changes there, okay? Then we move to there. And then we should... you know what we could do? PyAutoGUI move to... How did I do this in... Oh, I can wrap it just inside. I just do this. So, PyAutoGUI dot click. So this will click on a specific area, and what we need is for how did I do this again? Hold on, I gotta think about this. So in the message, I need to split it, right? How did I do this again? I gotta split the message. How do I do it? Oh, hey! Oh, shoot, you would do that to me, wouldn't you? Hold on a second. Okay, so, hold on. I spilled a little bit, I'm sorry. Okay, back to what I was saying. So, what we need to do is we want to move up, right? But we don't want to just move up every time you call it. We want you to say how many times you want to move up. So it's going to be more complicated, right? I mean, you can do it if you want to, but you can also just kill me. Might be easier if you just do that. I'm trying to remember how I did this. In message.lower, okay. So we need to split the message, right? Equals message.split, and I want to split it at the first space, right? And then I want number to equal split message, second value right there, okay? Then for moves in number, then we do this. That's what I wanted right there, okay? Okay. So save that. Everything looks fine, well, except this. But this should be easy. All I gotta do is just, cut it. And there we go, that should be for moves. Unused variable moves. Wait. Oh, no, I'm stupid. So, for n in range? No. Yeah, no, range would be good. So you go from 0 to... But we have to have that as an integer. And then... Am I stupid? I feel like I'm drawing a blank right now. Because it's not in it, I just want the number. So how many times do I want to move, right? So if I want to move 5 times, I'm going to do this 5 times. Hold on. So, let's see, number of moves. There, just maybe that'll help my brain a bit. I guess I could do... Yeah, just for n. Or just for moves in number. In range. 0. Not O. 0. Number of moves. And then all I gotta do is I just do moves equals moves plus 1. That will change the value of X, and then we click. Theoretically. Okay. So we're gonna try that. Nobody touch anything, okay? I'm about to test something. And I want to make sure it's all in the right spot when I test it. Okay. Oh, hold on. I need that. And then I need this. So I'm right there in the center, right? Okay. So now I want to move up 1. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Rats. Rats. Nothing happened. See, it's not moving. Wait, try it again. Maybe my mouse was just wrong. No, just move up. That's the only thing that's done. Try move up. That X should go away and the hexagon should move. It didn't work. Why? Okay, hold on. Stand by, stand by. We're missing something here. We are missing something crucial, I sense. So before we click, we need to make sure that we are moving. Right? Right? Okay. So maybe what we do instead of in the game, let's just see if it moves on the screen first. Let's see if that does it, right? Okay, so if I say move up, 12. Oh, hello. I got an error message. String object cannot be interpreted. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. So it threw me an error message, is what happened. So I'm going to kill that. We're going to try it again. Okay, now. Move up 12. What the hell did it... Oh, okay. New problem. X and Y are being reset here. Every single time. That shouldn't be happening. Yeah, so here, let me show you. Let me show you what's going on. I'll run it again. Okay, so, right here. Nothing's going on, right? Oh my word, is it still up there? Hold on. Let me turn the game capture off, okay? So right here, we've got the mouse. Okay? So far, so good. Now, watch what happens when I just do the move up once. See where it went? It's up in the top left. Now watch. I'm going to move over here. I'm going to let it sit for a bit. Nope, it didn't do it. Oh, it went back. So if I do move... Or is there something else that's wrong? Oh, wait. Ooh. Maybe. Hear me out on this. I'm just stupid. Hear me out on this. Hear me out. So what if they're never at the center, though? Okay. What if this centered stuff that I did right here is actually completely useless? I need to do that, right? So what if I just start them at the center? You know? I can start the coordinates there, and it should be fine, right? Well, let's see. So now, move up 1. Okay, that looks like the center to me. Move up 5. Why is it going... I'm so stupid. I did the wrong values. I did the wrong values in the thing. Hold on, I think I got things flipped around. I think. I could be wrong. Let's find out. So move up. Oh dear. What'd I do? Oh, it just didn't like the connection there. So I'm just gonna kill. Okay, she came back. Ah, no! I messed it up again. See, now it's reverse. Why is it reverse? What have we done? What have we done? Alright. Clearly we did something wrong. Clearly I wasn't as prepared as I thought for this. So, So hold on a second, hold on a second. So what I need to do is I need to go look at the PyAutoGUI documentation for the mouse movement. Mouse control functions, specifically. Okay, right here. So X increases, yes. Y increases, yes. Oh, Y increases goes down. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it? Yes. Okay, so what that means is when I want to go down, I need to add 18. When I want to go up, I gotta subtract 18. And when I want to move left, it's minus and plus. Ah, wait, and then also, because I'm doing X, X isn't the 18, it's 23. Okay, so we got that. So... How do I get the last known position? Can I just know its current position? Ah, yes, position. So I can get the current position it's at right now by doing... So when it's called, I'm going to call PyAutoGUI.position. And I'm going to set X and Y equal to that. That's actually a much better solution right there. Because now I'm not just setting it like somewhere specific. I'm getting where it is right now. And I'm saying, okay, this is just making sure that I know exactly where you are. And then I want to move from there. Right? Okay. That should be right. So now I actually need the game to come up. Because now what I can do is I can just sit here with it. And even without being in the full screen deal, what we can do is we can test it. Right? Right? I think so. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it. Now. Type the command and do 1. And let's see if it does it. We might need to do like direct input. Okay, it doesn't look like it moved at all there, so now let's come over here. Now try it. Oh, good. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Give it a bigger number. I want to see which direction it goes. Give it like 6 or something. It should go up. It should go up! I'm using X values. It should go up! Why did none of you stop me? Why are you making me look stupid? Why would you guys do that to me? That's why I'm so confused. It's supposed to go up. Oh my gosh, it needs to be minus equals. Nah, I'm accounting for myself. Okay. We're gonna try this again. Right here in the script itself, okay? Do it. Send it. It did it! It did it! Do it again. Do it again, just to be sure. Yes, okay. Next thing, now. Okay. Once again. Do it again. Now that we're on the game. Come on. No, give it something bigger. I need to see something tangible. I gotta make sure it really, really moves. Give it like 10 or something. Damn it. Okay. Okay. So, if I recall, Pyoto GUI doesn't always like to do... Oh! Wait, it moved, right? Oh, no, wait, okay. So, explanation time. Let me close this. Pyoto GUI doesn't always play well with games and operating systems. So, one of the issues that can happen is it reads the input here on the desktop like normal NAT. When it's in the game doesn't recognize the input, so we need to use another library. What was it again? Someone made one, like a supplementary library. I think it was code by gaming, like Pi direct input, I think. Boo. What's up? Nice. Here he is, this guy. If you guys want to see a good channel, by the way, go check out this guy. Learn Code by Gaming. He is fantastic. He is absolutely a monster. So I just need to see... He just imports the direct input. Does he show how he uses it, though? Click, mouse up, mouse down. What? I don't know. I didn't do anything with that. I didn't. It was probably Riker. Don't look at me like that. Yeah, he comes in here every now and then. Are you laughing at me? I'm not blaming the baby. I'm just saying I think the baby did it. Yes! What do you want from me? Sure, okay, let me see. Import... What is it again? Pi direct? Yeah. Pi direct input. But do I need to do anything, or does that...
Place.
Hold on, I don't need that. Replace Pi... Oh, okay, so I just replaced all of my auto GUI functions. Which is Pi auto GUI, yeah, okay, okay. So, we can just do exactly what he was doing there. I know what he's doing. So, any instance that says Pi auto GUI, we want to replace it with Pi direct input, basically. Yep, replace. There you go. Easy. Or should be easy. Should be easy. And there's my OAuth again. None of you better do some shady stuff. Okay. Now that we've made that change, that should work. So, again, we're going to run it. From the top, we're going to start here. We're going to see if it works here. Please, someone do the honors. Do the move up. Somebody. Don't leave me hanging, I beg you. Don't let me be alone. Thank you. Ah! Mwah! Perfect, it worked. Now, let's see if he was able to crack the code. So right here, do it now. I might have taken over it a bit when you did that. Try it again. She did it. She did it, boys. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do another one. Do another one. Let's see where it goes. Ah! Mwah! 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 Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. It's working. It's working. Okay, now that we have done that, the next step is quite simple. Quite simple indeed. Now for right. See, here's the thing. We don't have to really do all that. What we can do is we can take basically what we've done here. We're gonna kind of compress it just a little bit right there. We're going to copy all of this. Right that, okay? And then we're going to have the move up. Under that, we're going to have move down. Move left. And move right. Okay. There's a lot of redundancy in here, but that's totally fine. We're going to change Y to be added to for moving down. Moving left, we need to change that to X. And... oh yeah, we can leave that minus. And then we need to change this one to positive X. Yes, Chris, yes. I am aware. I am aware. Okay. So now what this should do, this should just move the mouse around. Hopefully it goes fairly decent. So I'm going to come back to our default spot here. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do, we're going to make this full screen to make sure that our values are correct. Oh, except I can't because I need to get this out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to get that off to the right. Pull this up. We're going to run this. Put it on his center here. Okay. You're not going to be able to move him, but you're going to be able to move the mouse. Try moving the mouse around as if you were trying to get somewhere. So let's say, try to get down to that dead rat. Just to try it. Let's see if we can actually do it. Probably just going to use like the move up and down, do it by ones. Whoa, not 15, the dead rat. The dead rat, you buffoon. So try going up 15, see if it brings you back to the center. It should. It should. Yep, the math checks out. Beautiful. It's working. Okay. The dead rat. Just in front of the character right there. Ooh, that's close. That is close. It's not going to be exact, for sure. In fact, we might want to lower the values just a bit. Wait, try that again. Your head and arm hurt now? Ooh, I'm sorry. Try the move right again. Maybe it's just... yeah, okay. It's just small enough that it might not make the full motion over. So, Okay. So you're very close to the rat, so try going up. So like, try going up and then left. You won't be able to chain them. Is there a click? Not yet. Nope. We're focusing on the movement right now. I just want you to get the cursor to look at the rat. That's all I want. Okay, not quite. If you go down, that should put you in that hexagon. Because one of the issues is that everything on the screen is very tiny. Ooh, okay. We might alter the degrees just a little bit. Probably reduce them just a bit so that you can, like, kind of do some fine motion. I think that would be the best option right there. Get the fine motion there. So we'll change the values just a bit. Just a bit. But good. We can move now. Well, when I say we, I mean you. Oh, yeah, let's not go all the way over there, shall we? Die? Yes. Yes, I agree. Okay, so that was the problem, was the direct input deal right there. So we got that fixed. Oh, die's just not implemented yet. Give it time. So I'm thinking... the left and right, let's trim it down by 4. I think. And then... oh, wait. Oh, that's what I forgot to change. Left and right was supposed to be 23. Right? Isn't that what I said? Yeah. So we'll try that. We'll try that a bit. But I'm going to add the click command now. So that should be pretty easy. All we got to do is if click in message.lower, we are going to pi direct input. We're just going to click. Wherever we are going to press the left mouse button and click once. Then reset the message. Just like that. Okay. Initiate tunnel snakes. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Give it time. Give it time. Okay. Let's try the click with it now. Why not? And let's try the movement again with those altered values. No, I'm not doing that because when you move around, you might want to change the mode before you click, is the thing. You don't want to just automatically click. Because what if you're moving around and then the mouse goes somewhere you don't want to actually move? Then you're looking stupid. Yeah, I'm giving you guys as much control as I can, okay? I am here for you. I'm trying to think for you. Alright, so we're gonna do this. Okay. From here, try to move to the dead rat. Or try to get it onto the rat and click on it. For Fallout New Vegas or 4? No. No. This is... I can't make a script for Fallout New Vegas or 4 because they're 3D environments. I can't imagine you guys trying to play that. Needs to be something that's more turn-based. Move right 2. Ooh, that's close. That's close. Try going down 1. Again, I might need to alter these settings. I just want to see if you can hit that tiny rat. It might be too small. Might be too small. Oh, this is gonna be fun. When you guys actually start rolling, this is gonna be so fun. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is gonna be great. Ooh, do you know what? Ooh, what if I give you guys full control and you just get to choose the number of coordinates that you move by and then you can adjust on the fly? Well, yeah, so it is square movement, but it's hard to not do square movement. Here's the thing. If I give you full control of the value of X... Oh, look at that. You got a rat there. So if I give you, like, precise control, you can actually alter the exact directions and stuff and how far you want to go. Let's try that, and then I'm going to have you try to kill that rat. So, to explain what I'm saying here, let me bring this over. Okay, so what I'm saying is instead of, like, you know, we were trying to do the little fancy math thing, we're not going to do that. Nope, we're not going to do any of that. We're going to do just like we're doing with the cameras. We are going to give it to you on a 1:1. 1-to-1 ratio. Basically, yeah. So now you won't be doing small numbers, you're going to be wanting to do slightly larger numbers if you want to move, like, very far. Does that make sense? You're picking the wrong times. It's not actually, like, time to use it right now. So what that should do, theoretically, what this should do, is it should give you the ability to fine-tune where you're going to go. Now, what I'm going to do for you, for this instance, is I will give your character the knife so that he has something, you know, more damage to defend himself. Oh, I need to give you the turn option. Right, okay. So before I can do this, I need you to have the ability to end your turn. I need to have a scale. What in the world do you mean by a scale? Okay, so we need a end turn function. So the best way to do that, end turn in, well, we're gonna make it equal. Matter of fact, we're gonna change this one as well, because that shouldn't have any other values with it. So what we want to do is we want to move down, we want to hit the end turn, and then we want to bounce back out. So let me get the position for that end turn. It's right there. So we are looking at end turn is at 8:47 by 10:38. Alright. So we got that. Now I'm gonna just copy that. Gonna come over here. Okay, so when we end the turn, what we want to do is we want to move to the end turn button. We want to click said button. And then we want to return to our original position. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. So what we want to do, up here we want to save our current position, right? So we're going to do old x equals x. Old y equals y. Simple, right? So now when we move down here, we're going to do pi direct input dot move to oh shoot, you know what? We don't need to do that at all. I can just give it the hard-coded values. Boom. Just like that. And you know what? We're going to add a little bit of a delay to it of 1 second. Just so you can see it go down there. Then we're going to pi direct input click. We will... Whoa, I don't want all that. We will sleep for 1 second down there as well, of course. And then pi direct input move to... Nope. X, Y, 1. Perfect. That should give you the functionality to go down, end your turn, then it goes back to wherever you were clicking originally. To show many Big 10 or say 50 pixels is. What? I mean... the whole point of it is just to, like, kind of guesstimate anyway. Listen, I'm suffering creating this. You're gonna suffer by, trial and error yourself. Okay. So, I'm gonna start this. What you need to do is, before you can attack that rat, you have to go down and end your turn. Okay? So, let me get this ready. You don't deserve to suffer. Step off. Alright, so remember. End turn, and then try to hit the rat. You're in the correct mode already. We don't need to worry about that. Okay. Try it. What? Oh, what the heck? Why'd it go all the way down there? What's it doing? Oh, we broke it! We broke it. What did we do? Okay, try again. Try again, because that was weird. Don't laugh at me. I'm trying my best here. What? What? Okay, okay. Stop. No, stop. Stop, you bastard. There we go. Oh, I'm stupid. Trust me, I'm stupid. So what I need is I need this to the side. I need this full screen. I need to come down here to this. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Ah, ha, ha. Yes, that's why. That's why we're stupid. I had the wrong values. 1331 and 1038. Hey, listen. You right. Okay. Let's see. End turn, end turn, end turn. Boom. That should do it. Should. Boom. Alright. Try again. Okay. Go. What? Why are you moving up? What are you doing? You... What did you... Okay, it clicked that time. Good, you ended the turn. Why? Why? Oh my gosh, why did you move up 150? What are you doing? We don't even know... It's right there? That's not gonna do anything. You gotta get it down to the rat. And then click it. You gotta move it down. You gotta move it down from whatever the heck Chris was trying to do. Auto-target rat. Good one. Good one. I'm not doing that for you. You guys gotta do some work. 175. Good, good. Look, look, you're close. You're close. Come on. Little more to the right. Little more to the right. Give it like 18. 18 should do it. That wasn't enough. That no. Put the move right together. You guys are killing me. Here, look. I'm gonna put it right on the rat. I'm gonna do it for you. There. Just click it. Just click it. Please, just click it. No! Why are you going 400? Go back! Click it! Just click it! What is wrong with you? No, don't end the turn! Oh my gosh. What are you guys? No! What's going on now? I don't even know if it's working. Oh my word, you fools. Hold on. Hold on, I gotta get some print statements so that I understand what the heck you're doing to it. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Jeez. I gotta understand how you guys are managing to break this thing. The control scheme is so simple. Drink water? Man, come on. Ah, okay. Alright, I need print statements. So, here, I'm gonna get print. We are ending the turn. Then by the end of it, print, we are returning to our original position. Right there. Okay. Have the person print say, I'm gonna have it say what I want. At the end of this one, I want print, we have clicked. Why not? No, no. Print's gonna say what I want it to say. You don't get to say. You guys can't keep anything straight here. Print. F string, we have moved X number of moves to the right. I'm gonna copy this over to the left. To the left. Up. No, wait, that's down. Up. There. Now, in this little window down here, I'm going to see how in the world you guys are ruining such a beautiful thing. I cannot believe you people. Okay. Try again. You gotta actually click and attack the rat, by the way. No! No! That's you! Move it to the rat! Move it to the rat! Little more! Little more! Little more! Come on! You can do this. I believe in you. Come on, you're... Ooh, you went too far. Ooh, you went too far. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Come on, just... No! Not... You're in combat! Hit the rat! Hit the rat! What are you doing? No! Oh my gosh. Here, look. Let me help you out a bit. Look, it's over the rat right now. Try the click again. You can't do too many commands at once. It's not clicking. See, when I click, it does it. Die. Okay. Why isn't it doing it? Balls. Balls. Balls, I say. What if I don't need PyDirect input for the click? What if I can just, what if we just click? PyAutoGUI.click, huh? Where is it again? Hold on. To GUI. Perhaps I was too harsh on you. Perhaps I was the fool. So here, I'm gonna take a swipe at it. Okay. We are back. Try to click again. Come on. Come on, baby. Do it for me. Do it for me. Someone click. PyAutoGUI is not defined. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I'm stupid. Import PyDirect. Are you serious? This whole time PyAutoGUI was not even in here? It automatically changed it? What the... Holy crap. Okay. Forgive me. I'm just stupid, I guess. Now try it. Come on, take a swipe at it. Please. Please, I beg you. Just swipe. Come on. Just a click. A little tiny click. Come on, just type the words. Type the words. Somebody. Somebody. I can't do it. I need you. I need you guys so bad right now. Ah, you guys are too slow. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it didn't even connect. What do you mean? There! Okay, now it connected. Alright. I swear. I swear. It better work now. We have clicked. No, we haven't. No, we haven't clicked. Gosh, dang it, we haven't clicked. Python, why are you so stupid? Gosh, dang it, hold on a second. This is pissing me off. Pissing me off so bad right now. Ah! Ah! Wait! Do it again! Do it again! I think you just did it. What? What? Why did it work that time? I didn't press anything. Do it again. Do it again. Why did it do it then? What happened? Hold on. It's registering it. It says we did it. Damn this thing. Okay, okay. Why won't it click? It literally, it worked once. It worked once. Heck. Okay, let's try adding something else. Let's see if we can't at least get like a cycle to happen, right? So underneath our click, I'm gonna get here, let me show you. Okay. So we're gonna call this one cycle, okay? You'll see why in a second. So I need pi direct input dot click. It should be, oh, I forget the documentation again. Pi auto GUI dot, no, pi auto GUI mouse. I need like a little more low-key song. Oh, that's a good one right there. Let's go with that. Okay, hold on a second. Mouse movement, drags, clicks. That's what I want. What if I want to click the right one? Button. Okay, I changed the button value. So cycle button equals right. And then message equals blink. Okay. Oh, media request. Hold on a second. Stream Elements is also against me today, I guess. I'll have to do it manually through the website. Stand by a second. I will get that. Media request. Go on stream. Can I just play it? It's not. No, wait, that's just that. Play. There we go. Alright, yeah, we'll go with that for now. Alright. We're gonna go with this. Alright. Try to cycle it. Let's see if right click will actually do something. Not click, right click. I need the cycle. Just cycle. We just need to see if the icon changes. Because that tells us that it's at least going through. So just exclamation cycle. That's what I need. Cycle, cycle, cycle. No, cycle. Cycle. Exclamation cycle. It should look like this if you spam it enough. Do it like a bunch of times. Like copy paste it. Just like spam it. See if it goes through ever. Or don't. There you go, that's better. Nothing. Nothing. That's aggravating. We can read it in the chat right there. Print. Called cycle. Yeah, okay, so right there, so I'll show you right here. Look at this, okay? Okay, cycle. Well, maybe it's not good. Yeah, okay, so right here, right? When you type in cycle, oh, look at that. It presses right click there. It won't press it in the game, and it's infuriating. Because we can't actually do anything in the game if we can't do a simple action like clicking. And that is BS right there. And I'm thinking it's because it's an older game. It's got like some weird needs on it. Okay, I cut the script for a second there because now you're spamming it at the wrong time. Okay. That could be a stumbling block for us. There must be some sort of setting enabled. Ignore scroll limit. Pathfinding range, panel scaling, movies. Sidebar, window, the scaling. Four seconds behind, okay, that's fine. None of that. So why? Let's try something real quick. Let's try something again. Let's try having you click in the menu. Because if it's the menu too, that means that we're like truly screwed. So just try the click. Just the regular click. Let's see if it brings up the options. Ah, man. Direct input click is not doing it. Why? That's my main question, is why? Try it again one more time. Nope. Okay. Okay. Minor tweak. We'll try Pi GUI again. Both on the left click and the right click. We'll save that. Ah! What in the world did I think I clicked on? Okay. One more time. Let's try this. Just one click. We have clicked. Negative, Python, we have not clicked. Thank you. Freaking lying to me. Is there a keyboard equivalent of clicking that we could get? Is my question. Won't be that. Wait. That's interesting. Ah! But that doesn't help this. Okay, I just found out something. In the menus, you can press the first letter of the option that you want, and you can navigate menus like that. That's good to know. Unless we never get to menus. So is that the same thing with that? M is a cycle. N is some AP deal thing. L, K, J, H, E, W, E, A. A is just the combat thing. You cannot rest this. Oh, Z is like some rest thing. Okay, we found that out. The Pit Boy. C was that. V, Q. 1, sneak. I don't know what all these buttons are changing here. There must be some way we can use like keyboard only. If we can just get the keyboard to do what we want. Okay, here. We are gonna drag that down. It's research time. Research time now. Okay, so what do we need? Can you play Fallout with only a keyboard? Well, let's specify specifically Fallout 1. Or only with mouse and keyboard. No, I just want keyboard only. They're very mouse heavy. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Can you play Fallout 1 without a mouse? It's easier with the mouse. I don't care if it's easier. I just want to do it. You can use a program like Joy to Key or Xpattern stuff to map the keyboard and mouse controls to a controller. Can't have the game in full screen mode. Why you want to play without a mouse? I saw that. That's not the question! Do you know what I didn't try? I didn't try enter. Oh, I thought I was gonna be a genius. That gives a date timestamp, interestingly enough. Hello. Ah, home will center you on your character, or attempt to. Is there a control menu? I didn't see one. I see preferences, there's combat messages, item highlight, mouse sensitivity. You gotta remember, this is an older game. I don't think they gave that much control to the average player. It's gotta be something here. Is it the refresh rate? Hey man, how's it going? No, it wouldn't be the refresh rate, would it? I'll try it. We're not playing, we're trying to make it so that chat can play. Okay, stand by a second. Minimize this. Let's get our code back up. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. Exclamation click. Now that I changed like the refresh rate, let's see if that did anything. I don't know why it would do anything, but let's just find out. Let's see if you can move. That's all I want right now. I just want the motion. No, just click, Chris. We didn't change it. It's just click. Holy cow, you're killing me. We have clicked. No, we haven't. Or if we have, it's not registering it. Stand by a second. That was with PyAuto GUI. Now let's try direct input. Again. So I'm gonna kill that. Yeah, I know. There we go. Okay. But it is windowed. Chris, it is windowed. If you were paying attention earlier, you would see that I have it windowed. Look at the top. Look at the top. Click. Well, it's not going to do anything there. Try there. Try there. Fourth. Mush. Why? Because that's what should happen right there. You should just move. What if... Crazy idea. What if we click twice? Better yet, let's click 3 times. F it. Why not? Why not? Let's try it. There you go. Okay, try it now. It wasn't on when you tried it, Red. This will have it click 3 times in rapid succession. One of those ought to go through. I hope. Because maybe it's just the one's not going through. But if we do 3... Ah! 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 Ooh! 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 Oh! 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 Me make fire! Me make fire! Oh! 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 F yeah. F yeah. Ah! Look! It's moving! It's moving! I'm so excited that happened. Okay, now, okay, we're gonna stop for a second. So let me explain what happened here. Let me give you a little explanation here. So, I did it 3 times here. We're gonna actually take away one of them to see if maybe just twice gets through. But if it doesn't work, we're gonna go back to that. So we're gonna do the same thing here, and we're gonna go back to the direct input right there. Yes, this one too. Okay. So now, theoretically, what I think is happening is the one goes through. The game can't really register it because it's not processing information the same. So by spamming it a bunch of it, how fast does Python click? Faster than you. Much faster than you. By doing that... No, I'm just kidding. No, it really does. It's like instantaneously. So, if we click quickly, one of them gets through. That's the idea. So now, run it again. I'm just trying to cut down on some of the code that's there. Oh, okay. Great test here. Great test here. Hold on a second. There's a rat. I'm gonna give you the knife. Okay, what you need to do is go down and end the turn. Oh. Can you end turn, though? Did the click work on that? Try that. Try ending the turn again. Didn't work. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. See how it's going back and forth right there? That's a very special problem that we gotta deal with. And I gotta quickly try to... Okay, I broke it out of the loop. Okay, it fell into some sort of infinite loop that it wasn't supposed to fall into. And it's because... Oh, I see what happened. I see what happened. So for one, you notice it didn't click because we didn't give it multiple, like we did on the other one, okay? That's not a problem. All we gotta do is just do the exact same thing. Bring it down there. We'll click it twice, because that's the streamline, the baseline we're going with. And then I forgot to make the message empty. Yeah, of course the click duration is fast, but what can you do? What can you do? I'm not just gonna have him hold it down for too long. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna try that. Obviously, this is gonna be tweaked, you know, a little bit in the future, too. So, back to centering there. We're going to run it again. Length of the duration. If I click and hold it down, I don't know what that's gonna do to the processing. Okay. The mouse is, like, right there. So, you have a turn. Go ahead and click on it. Try to hit it. 2 mouse clicks should do it. Oh, nope. Mouse is down here. Okay, but you did move. That's good. Try again. Try again. I moved it for you. Didn't work? Why didn't it work? Oh, because nothing can happen right there. Is the rat just not doing anything? We did need to end the round. Never mind. Okay. My mistake. My mistake. Okay, now we should try again. Go ahead and click on the rat. Oh, did we break it? Are we not able to attack it? Oh, you're kidding me. You have to face it? Oh, that is stupid. That's stupid. That's really stupid. Okay. Well, go ahead and click it now. You should be able to kill the rat and end the turn if you need to. Good, you hit it. And it died. Okay, now you need to end the turn so that the turn cycles and then combat's ended. This is the moment of truth right here. It didn't click. It returned to the original position, but it didn't click. Why didn't it click? It moved and then it didn't click. Why? No, it was working before. It's the exact same process. Let's take out the delays between, maybe. Yes, it was... Yes, it was 2 clicks. We're doing 3 clicks now to see if that does it. Okay, try now. End turn. That's what you're going for. End turn. Oh, wait, Hold on. It didn't run. I didn't pay attention. It said invalid syntax somewhere. Where? Oh, I'm stupid. Nah, okay. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. Try again. It goes down there. It goes down there, why didn't it click? Because it should come down here. And then click like that. And then it ends it. I don't know why it did that. Okay. Well, try the cycle now. Try to hit the cycle command. See if you can change the mode. So just exclamation cycle. Really? It didn't do it. Because you should see this hexagon go into a mouse. Try it again. Nothing. Why? Okay. Cycle one more time. One more time. We did it. See? It changed. It changed to the examine thing. So now what you should be able to do is you change it to that mouse, and you should be able to come up here and click on the skeleton. Or that, you know, that lets you look at something. See how the icon comes up on the right? That means that you have an action that you can do on something you're hovering over just by clicking. And it just says that you see a cave wall. That's all it says. So now, try to go look at that skeleton that's up above your character. He's got some items like a gun and some bullets. That should be the goal right there. Okay, that's close. You're gonna want to inch it a little bit more to the left and then go up from here. Good, good. You need to get it to where it comes up with that icon, I think. So if you nudge it to the left, you should get it. Good, you're finagling it, you're finagling it. It's getting close, getting close. Did it move? It did, it just didn't register for some reason. Okay. I don't know why it didn't refresh it there. So now try clicking. No, it went too far now. Go back to the right 50 and then click. Yep, right there, right there. You got it. Oh, a rat came up. Okay, we're in combat now. You know how to do math? I have doubts. Now, can you kill that rat? Show me you can kill that rat. Do you know what to do? Smartass? Try it. Alright, there you go. The left and right seem a little bit finicky. They don't quite register every single time. Like, they do register, you just don't see it on the screen until you do the next thing. Okay? You're right underneath it. Yeah, the left and right, they seem a little behind for some reason. I don't know why. It's funny, see, you try to... Oh, look, you're right on it. But you need to change your mode. You gotta cycle. Because you're just examining right now. You're interacting. Nope, you're interacting. That's all you're doing, you're interacting. The United States of America. God bless. Thanks for the follow, man. Try the cycle again. Oh, oh, oh. You were there. You were there. Do it again. There you go. Sorry, media request is a little buggy. Should be playing. Yeah, it's not. Okay. Don't have any media to share. Why isn't it doing that? Stand by a second. It says it's playing now, but that's a fat lie. Why isn't it playing it? There we go. I have to manually play it. I'm sorry, man. It wasn't going. I had to go click on it. There we go. Yeah, I got you, man. I got you. Okay, you gotta cycle it. You gotta get it to the combat mode now. Okay, one more cycle. Because you're still in exam mode. You gotta cycle it one more time. No, didn't do it that time. Try again. It's a little buggy. It's a little buggy still. I don't know why it's not. There we go. Now you're in combat mode. Now you got it. Now you got it. Try again. Try again. Click it. Hit it. Hit it. Try again. It might be a little delayed. Like I said, the old game is having troubles with the script. I don't know why. Well, we just fixed it though. Try again. Try again. I'm wiggling it a bit. Frame rate? Nah. Oh, maybe. Man, I haven't heard this song in so long. I love it. Why isn't it clicking? All of a sudden, it stops clicking now. We had it working not like 2 seconds ago. Okay, hold on, hold on. We need a different solution. We need a much different solution. Bring this over here. Alright, perfect. Hey, thanks for the song, by the way. I really enjoyed that. Okay, so we're gonna try, Chris, we're gonna try your idea of, like, clicking and holding it down. We're gonna try the click and hold. Let me think. I need Pi Auto GUI mouse. Oh my gosh. How could you go from patriotic to this? I don't know why that one was funny. I imagine like Alvin and the Chipmunks, but with the head wraps and AKs. Frickin' Simone has like a suicide vest. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. Alright, let me see. Mouse movement, mouse drag, mouse clicks. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. I'm skipping that one. I'm sorry, man. I can't. I'm not doing ear rape. I'm not doing ear rape right now. Oh, we could do a mouse down function. Ooh, that might be what we're looking for. So let's try mouse. Should just be mouse down. And then we want to... Which one's this? Oh, I don't know this one. I don't know this one. What is this? Rings and rings and rings. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's see. We do mouse down. We're gonna sleep for like... Shoot, let's do... No. No, let's try like 0.7. 0.7 seconds, right? Stupid thing. Then we're gonna do pi direct put mouse up. Right. Okay, and we're going to copy that. Do the same thing there. And there. Okay. Okay, I'll let the song play in the background while we do this. Okay. Try again. I don't think I did it for the cycle, now that I think about it. Stand by, I need to check that. I'm very sorry. I think I forgot the cycle. No, I did it for cycle. Oh, but that was that's like left mouse, so I need Right. There we go. Just 0.7 seconds. 0.7 seconds. We'll try it right there. Right. Yeah. You guys are with me, right? What do you mean unmatched? What are you talking about? Oh, I got one more parenthesis than I need. Okay. Try again. I swear to you, this one's gonna be the one that works. We got it now. I didn't see it go. Oh, ooh, it did it there. It did it there. I didn't do that last one. Try again. Okay. It's going. It's doing it. It's cycling. So you need one more. You need to get it to cycle one more time. Try again. You got this. I believe. No, and you spammed it, and now you ruined it. Yep, now you're ruining it. You're back to examine. Try to take it calm. Try to be collected. You just need to get it to cycle once. That's all you need. And then it's back to combat. There! Right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna hover over the rat for you so you don't have to find it. Click now. Just click. That's all it is. Just a simple click. Alright, hold on a second. Okay, we're not doing that anymore. I don't want to see that anymore. The first time was funny, now you're getting ridiculous with it. Oh, we hit it. Okay. Now. End the turn. This is the true test right here. End the turn. Once we have this going, I'll set up, like, you know, where all the commands are. I'll have the actual text up. Oh! It did it. Perfect. Now you gotta cycle it back to movement. We should do that. We should have that as a thing. Yeah, we should add to press the home key to center it back on the character. So everything is working now, up to this point. Yeah, up to this point is good. It's very good for us. What in the world is this? Huh. This is something, isn't it? Oh, do you know what I can add? Do you know what I should add? So I noticed that when you press the home button, so like, let's say that we ran like over here, right? When I press home, it centers on our character except that the mouse moves. I don't know if that really matters. Is that even useful? We'll add it. We'll add it as a command. So if you want to find the character, you can get back on it. You can use it to repeat actions. Could. If we'll do center equals pi direct input home and then message equals that. Okay, that's just another command that we're adding. Oh, dot press. My bad. Oh, I'm so stupid. By direct input, there we go. What the heck is this? I don't even know what this is. Like, genre-wise, I can't describe it. I'm not sure I like it. 8-bit dubstep. Oh, there we go. I'm not a fan of dubstep, specifically, that's why. Okay, well, let me see. So that gives us our movement. Oh, we need to add inventory, too, which is pretty simple. No. Inventory. Which is just the I key. I called it that because it came from dubstep to this. Okay, so you don't actually know what it's called. You could have just said that. Oh, and then if we want to exit out of menus and stuff. Then we want to do pi direct input dot press escape message equals. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm a fan of it. Not really my type of music. It's a lot of sounds, you know what I mean? I'm not sure I'd call it dance. I can see electronic, I'm not sure I'd call it dance. Okay, let me think. I don't think we need the rest of this, do we? Mode cycle. I just did cycle. That's fine. So we can eliminate this because we don't actually need the extra stuff for the inventory. And I actually don't need to take from object that because you can move the mouse around more freely now. What about equipping weapons? Let's take a look at that. So you come over like here. Oh, okay. We need something to click and drag from here over there. Like so. So how do we do that? The simplest way to do this to give you guys the most control would be to have you go over the item that you want, and then you just... It'll just go, transfer to... What if you do I'm sorry, I can't even think with this. That's just so... It's so much happening, I can't think. I can barely talk to myself with it. Is this the same thing? Sorry, I'm skipping that. I can't even hear myself think. What do you mean, no? Yeah, I can't hear myself with that. I need something that I can just sit here and I can think and I can talk and it's not blasting my ears. Holy cow. Okay, so looking at this, we need to be able to go wherever you go, you click, and then you drag it to the opposite side. But I would like to make it one command. So that there's not a command from going left to right, right to left. You know, individually, just all one. So, we'd have to go off of the X value, I think. So in order to do that, I'm going to need Visual Studio back up again, please. Thank you, because we're going to grab this again. Okay, I don't need those values. There we go. Okay. Okay, so what I want is if the mouse is somewhere like, oh, let's say it's less than. So if the mouse is less than 822, okay? So if mouse pause is less than 822 on the X, go right. So then it would be else go left. And they should go the same distance, right? Wherever it is. So what we want is, let's go like about the center. So we're gonna assume that you get somewhere in the middle here, right? So we're gonna have 765. I swear to you, Chris, this is another like crazy, super loud in my ears. I'm revoking the song request for the day. So let me see. So I got 765 left center. Okay, and then oh, what do you know? It's actually nice. Can you believe that? Then I'm gonna go with 1150 right center. Alright, let's go with that. Good. I was gonna say, if it starts to overpower, I'm kicking it. Okay. So we got our values that we need now. Stick that over to the side, come over to Visual Studio. Overpower how? I'm gonna skip ahead in it. And if this thing goes up in volume, song request is going off. Good. Good, it didn't. But I'm also going to just end it right there, because I'm a little sick of song requests being abused today. Oh, here we go. Danbull, Fallout. Let's go. I like that. One more? You have one last chance, and I swear to you, if you mess this up. Okay, so if let's call it swap over. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Is message dot lower. Okay. So we have if going from the left, go right. Else go left. That's fairly simple. Fairly simple logic to go with. So if but we need the current. So X, Y equals mouse, well, pi direct input mouse pause. Oh, is it? No. Oh, it's just position. Haha, I'm stupid. Oh. Just position. There we go. Okay. So now, if X is... How'd I have it over here? If mouse is less than 822, go right. If X less than 822... Then, oh, I forgot to. So we're gonna take 1140 minus 765 is gonna be 375. 375. Okay. So then, what we need to do is we need where we are now. Pi direct input. Mouse down, right? And then we're going to pi dot no. Pi direct input dot move to well, let's do this first. Okay, so X is going to equal X minus, well, no, we're going to the right, so it's going to be plus 375. And then we're going to move to X, Y. And take our time getting there. Then once we're there, we pi direct input dot mouse up. Then else, it's going to be this exact same thing. Can't tell, I'm a little jaded right now. Else it's going to be minus. That's the only thing that changes right there. Then message equals that. Okay. One more, huh? Why do I see that twice, Chris? Why do I see that twice? Okay. We're gonna try the swap over command now. We did the math right, which I doubt. Which I doubt, because we suck. Yeah, I see it twice in the chat there. Hopefully this works. Okay. Now the test for the code. I want you to take what's on the dead body, and I want you to move it over with the swap over command. So how you're going to do it is you move to the item that you want to get. You're going to click it. Well, you don't even have to click it. Just hover over it. And then type swap over. And what it should do is it should go to the opposite side. Should be pretty simple. Just go to the top with the knife. Okay, well, that... You can move to the left, I guess, if you truly want that. It's a little disconcerting that only one person is doing anything right now. That's fine. It's experimental, I understand. Nobody wants to participate. Yeah, you gotta nudge it over a little bit. There you go. You have an item now. What are you gonna do with it? You're gonna swap it over, right? Okay. That's good, except... I've hit enter. Oh, good. Okay. We'll just add enter at the end just to make sure that it goes over, then you can do like one at a time type of deal. But it went over. You saw that. It did go over. Move left 1,000. Wow. Someone wasn't paying attention to the math that we just did. That's okay. It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. It happens. It happens to the best of us. Idiot. So think about this. You use the swap over once, use it again. You're not clicking and dragging anything, but that's not your goal, is it? You're wanting to move whatever's on the left to the right. I don't know why, because that's your inventory you're putting on a dead body, but it's totally cool, man. Ooh, what we could do is like a loot all deal. No, Chris, it was 375. It was 375, you fool. You fool. I trusted you. No, Chris. He needs it more? Okay, alright. If you say so. We could do just like a loot all as well. That could be an option that would save a little bit of time for you guys, make your life a little easier. There you go. It went right over. See, when it's a single item, it's really easy. We just need to add a little extra button to make sure when you're doing multiple items, it makes it just slightly simpler. There you go. Look at that. He's got the math. He's got it. Oh, I'm so proud. I'm so happy. Really. I did all the hard work, honestly, but here we are. Now, okay. I want you to try the swap over from here. I want to make sure that it goes right the other direction, too. So just do it again. It should just do the reverse. Just to be safe. Yep, perfect. Perfect, it's working. It's working so beautifully. So now you can see how, you can make this work really well. Really well. We can get the whole chat playing this game now. With the basic controls that we've now ironed out, we are able to do this game to a reasonable degree, you know. There's a few nice features that we could add, but we are now ready for the chat to play Fallout. You can even do the character creation stuff if you want. I might want to add a few more commands, including, like, the ability to press, like, any button, basically. Because that's how a lot of these menus operate. Yep, there you go. Move down. Yep, you're over the bullets. So, alternatively, what you can do is you could go up to the topmost and then just do the swap over, and it would just go from the top down. Okay, see what I mean by the stacks of items? So what we would want is, so if I press A, check this out. Oh, it doesn't for this? Why? Why? Why when I do all is it only 3? Hold on a second. It's not quite a... What? Oh, it divides it by magazines. Ah, okay. Does that always come up in the same spot? It looks like it does. Yeah, it does. Okay, so what I would actually want to do is either just do it enter so you can only do one stack at a time, or I just add the option for you to just click all. So like when we bring this over, I just add that, so if you just want to do like exclamation all, it'll go there and click that. And then go back to your original position. Would that be too easy for you though? I feel like that would. Am I babying chat too much? I think I might be. I think that might be what this is. One more, he says, by the way. Truly. Truly one more. Okay. You know what? I'll add it. I'll add it. So what I need real quick then is... I need to get my mouse info one more time. Well, I need to close that. Okay, let's grab this. And I need the position of all. See, I'm gonna make life much easier for you. You can thank me later. Don't even sweat it, bro. Homie. Dog. Oh my gosh. Stupid thing. Okay, so right there, we got 434, 484. Is it working? Oh, it's working. We're just, we're gonna add a couple more things to make it a little easier for you, such as this hit all button. We're just doing things to make life a little simpler for you now. So I'm gonna copy the coordinates for that. So check this out, okay? Pull that over. Boom. Okay. We're gonna come in here. Underneath the swap over command, I'm just gonna add another one here. If all, I'll just do all, just to make it easy, equals message lower. It won't always be there, unless you have like a stack of things, then it will always be there. So it's an option. So if you want to do multiple, you can, and if you don't, then you're just doing one at a time and you can deal with it. Oh, then I should add an enter command then, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should. Okay, well, anyway, we're gonna do pi direct input dot move to, and then I'm gonna put the coordinates in right there. Oh, first I gotta do X and Y. Well, I don't even have to do that. I don't have to get the original position, because wherever it is where it was, right? So, move over there, and then we're gonna do pi dot... No, not pi dot. Why am I so stupid? Pi direct input. What have we been doing for clicks these days now? I think we've just been doing the mouse down, mouse up. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna come back down here. Boom. I'm gonna hit that. So that will come over there, it'll click, but then I also, when it's done clicking, I want it to move to X and Y, because that should be at the current position once it's done, is the idea. Okay, now, another testing phase. Prepare yourself. Alright. Now, from here, I'm going to hover it right here at this knife, okay? Hit exclamation all to make it go over there and move everything over. Of those, flare stick, whatever things. And it should go, click the button, then go back to the knife. It messed up. It messed up. It didn't go where it needed to go for some reason. Why? Oh, it's because when I moved the screen like that, it did something funky. No, it's just moving now. Ah, that presents a different challenge, you see. Because now that we know it's moving, it would be better to actually grab this image, look for it, and click on it. Which is interesting, because now I'm going to show you a really cool trick, okay? All we need to do... I'm going to come up here and I'm going to grab the snipping tool. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but I'm going to grab... basically a little snapshot of that. Move that to the side. Boom, right there. You see that? So what I want to do is I want to save this image. Stream code fund, yeah. TwitchPlays Fallout. And we're going to put it here. Let's just call it the all button underscore too, because I like that. Okay? Don't need that anymore. What this should allow us to do is bypass the issue of it moving around. So instead of moving to this, we're gonna go pi move to, and then pi auto GUI dot locate center on screen. And because we put that in the same place, we can just add in the name .png. Then we should be able to add a confidence of, let's do like 90%, because it's never, it should be accurate all the time, but you never know. So now that should just go immediately to where it was. Okay, let's try this again. Alright, now hit all, and it should go right to that button, if it did it right. Oop, improper permissions, here we go. File is missing, I had a typo. I put under, like, lowercase PNG. It needs to be uppercase PNG right there, because that's the name of the file. Yeah. Okay, try again. That one was my bad. That one was my bad. Sorry about that. Let's try that again. So just exclamation all. Ooh. Ooh, that's not good. Ooh, that's not good. Okay. We might have an issue that I might need to solve later. So right down here, this is an error message. It's basically saying, failed to read the all button because the file is missing. So it's probably because, oh, you know what? I bet you if I just close Visual Studio and open it back up, it might register that it's in there. Might. Just gonna hit that again. Oh, well, it didn't open the connection. Standby. There we go. Okay. Try again. Let's see if it gives the same error message this time. Yes, it does. Okay. Okay, so right now, just try to move to the all button. Commands are pretty simple again. Just do move up, down, left, right, and then just a number. The number's gonna be each pixel. So however many pixels you think you need to move, just do that. And try to get over to that all button, and then exclamation click is what you need. So move left 375. Sometimes it doesn't update. No, just move left. Move left. How come it didn't say move? Oh, it's because you put a space on it. Or did I put a space on it? Oh my gosh, did we break something again? Stand by. Stand by, something's going wrong again. Let's take out the all command. Okay, let's try this again. Now move. Because it wasn't giving me, like, the print response that it actually completed the action. There we go, now it's moving. Yeah, okay. The stupid all. The if statement for all was messing with something, so I'll have to figure that out later. So you just gotta hover it up to that all button. Yeah, there you go. Yep, you're just moving it up a bit. Yep, okay, you're on it. Just click and it should work. No, you're on it. Just click. Okay. So now that happened. Oh, and then I forgot to add. So, I'll add this in a bit, but now you need to press enter, because what the all does, it fills it up, and then you need to press enter. They weren't always intuitive with this stuff. So, let's see. Or you can move to cancel. Yeah, you can. It gives you that option. In fact, if you click this over, yeah, you can just press escape to cancel it. You don't have to move to cancel, just press escape. So we'll add the enter command right now. Show you right here. Because I don't have it anywhere yet, right? Yeah, I got exit, which is just escape. So yeah, you'll just hit exit if you don't want to go through with that. So now we'll add enter. Set it equal to message lower. And then pi, direct input. Well, do we need that? I think we just do it. And press enter. And then oh no, just blank. Just blank. We're good. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful as always. So now, go ahead, try enter. Just press enter and it'll just do the move item right there. Don't try to do the all and all that. Just see if the button itself works. It should work, because I didn't really change all that much. Boom. Boom. You did it. Congratulations. From miles and miles away, you have pressed a button on my keyboard. Congratulations. Now. Run and scream. No, okay. Now. Here's the true test we're gonna do, alright? Give me a second here. I need to make sure that I have, everything that we need here in order to try to attempt to get you guys starting to actually play the game. So let's go over our commands right now. So we have the movement. We got move up, down, left, right. We have click. And we have the cycle, to press right click to change the mode. We have end turn. That was working. Center, which will center the camera on your character. You're going to use that a lot, by the way. you might be using that more than the moving the camera around, I think. So we're gonna abstain from camera controls for the time being. You've got exit, which is just pressing escape at any moment. Use that to, like, exit menus and stuff like that. If you're looting a corpse or something, that's the same thing. Swap over, when you're in a menu, use it to grab something from one side and move it over to the other. Doesn't matter which side you're on. It's got the logic to, switch between the two there. I made it easy for you. You've got enter, which just presses enter, and then we got commands, which I'm going to add all these commands to this right now. Why not? So let's see what we got. So right here we've got move up. And here, let's make a little format. I can just copy and paste between. Move down. Went outside the line, that's cool. Move left. Move right. Make this a little easier to read. I'm gonna do a little finagling here. Go like right there. Beautiful. Yep. And then I'm gonna move left, move right. We've got center. We have exit. That's right. Trying to remember now. We have click, just in case you guys forget any of these. Center, click. Oh, and then there was cycle. I don't want these. Okay, there we go. That's a good one. Cycle is you move up, down, left, right, click, cycle. Oh, end turn was another one. Yep. End turn. Got that one. Click, cycle, end turn, center, inventory was another one. Yeah. Actually, we'll make that easier. We're gonna make that just I. No, we'll keep it inventory. And swap over was another one. I'm gonna force you guys to learn how to spell. How's that sound? That sound good to you? Inventory, we got the swap over, enter, and then the commands, which you should already know that if you're doing this. Did I do enter? I did not. Okay. So that's what we've got so far. That's not the end. That's just so far. Now, let me show you how this one works. So you can see right here, I'm going to type in commands. And it's going to come down. It's just going to spam the chat with all of the possible commands. So you can just go and you can pick that. Matter of fact, I think I can just put exclamations there. You can actually just go ahead and copy and paste any of them if you want. I don't think that'll ruin anything. Let's find out. Let's see if it freaks out at all. So I'm gonna do commands, and then let's watch the mouse, see if it does anything. Nope, it doesn't, because it's sending that stuff. It doesn't recognize itself sending messages, so we're good on that. So yeah, then you can just sit there. They're pretty self-explanatory commands. Should be pretty simple. Oh, I should add, I'm gonna add a little number parentheses right there. Just so you remember, you have to actually give it numbers to tell you how far you want it to move up and down. Well, in fact, let's not even put parentheses. That might confuse some people. We'll just put the number. Number. Boom. And there you go. There you go. This right here is the basics to get you started playing. Very bare bone basics right here will get you started playing. It's gonna be great. So, are we ready to try it tonight? Or do we not want to do that? Should we keep going with it, try to expand the functionality, or do you want to try it as is? Because right now, it is playable as is. You may not love yourself, but it's playable. What do you think? What do you guys think? Worth it? Not worth it? I spent 3 hours on this. I just want you to know that. I've dedicated my life to this. Oh. Why are you tired? You didn't do anything. You just sat there typing messages. I did all the grunt work. Like, look at this, okay? Look at the right-hand side right here. I want you to understand. This, look at this massive block that we've done. Okay, not including that. Look at that. Look how big that... Holy cow, that's just... Holy cow. I love it, though. I love it. This is good stuff. This is good stuff right here. It kind of sickens me that it's nothing but if-else statements, but Python doesn't have switch cases yet, I don't think. Hold on. Does it? If it does, I'll change it. Switch. Switch statement, control statement, flowchart. Yeah. Oh, that's switch in other languages. Oh. Python implementation switcher. Oh, you use a dictionary. A key value pair. Oh, you know. Use of if-else ladder. I don't like that. You know, I probably should do, elifs. I think that would be better. No, because I think this is actually better if I just keep it as ifs. For right now. I can't remember. There was a reason I did ifs and not else ifs. I can't remember. So what was the other things out here? Equip weapons and switch weapons. Well, again, that's something you can just navigate and do for the time being, so we'll add that functionality later. I'm gonna keep the comment line here. Boom. Just like that. We'll save that. This will just remind me that this is the actual section where we're changing things. In fact, I'm gonna put a little bit of a space between each of the if statements to help me see which ones are which. It's gonna make the code look a little longer, but at least it stops it from being just one solid block. What's this doing here? Oh, I was just putting this to remind myself, that's right. Let's go left. That's just to help remind me of, like, some of the logic. You can tell I'm not putting a lot of comments on most of this stuff here. I'm hoping that by definition of the actual statements I'm looking for, I would be able to tell what I'm looking at. So I'm saving space from the comments and that to try to make this just a little bit more compact. It might end up killing me later. I'll come back and be like, what the hell did I do? Why am I doing that? I have no comments. I don't understand what's going on. But, you know. So, okay, yeah, that's basically it right there. I gotta pee. I'll be right back. Whew, in fact, here, while I'm gone, why don't I treat you to what we started the stream with? Because I really like the song, by the way. I thought it was appropriate for what we were doing. You may not agree. You may not even like this artist. But I do. I do. And I need to entertain you somehow while I go to the bathroom. So here you go. Is it muted? No, don't be muted. How dare you be muted? I think that dude died. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that is special. I don't know why it keeps doing the intro when I try to click back into it. Oh, that's good. That's real good. So what do you guys think? Do you want to try to play Fallout tonight now that we got it all sorted? I know it's a bit on the later end. We can play something. I can play something else if you guys want to switch it up. I know this was kind of a bit of a process that we just went through. But I gotta say, I love this. I could do this. I could do this forever. I love this stuff. This is the kind of stuff that makes me warm and fuzzy inside. It definitely was a process. I know. Some people have a hard time listening to basic instructions. Frickin' kills me. Oh. Markets were super volatile today. What the heck? Hold on. Oh, wait. Hold on. Did I lose money? Stand by. Stand by. I gotta check this. Oh. Oh, I made money. Oh. Look. Do you see that? See that spike? Holy cow. If I'd been paying attention. Oh, I could have made like $110 with like no effort. No! Oh, I missed out! Dang it! Gosh dang it! I was too busy feeling, you know, less than perfect though. So, I guess I have that excuse going for me. Oh, man, the GameStop stock. No, it was something else. On my list went up. Because I have a couple stocks. Some is in tech. I think I got one or two in medical. I've got one in one that's in just general electronics, like appliances and that. Well, not one, like I have one company I have some stocks in, and it just like boop, it just spiked all of a sudden. Man, that sucks. I kind of wish I was paying attention to that now. Alright. But yeah, we have the basic structure now for playing the game. But if you guys aren't interested in playing the game tonight, we can play it like another stream. If you guys want. Because I know it's going to be chaos with people playing it, you know, typing in the chat, trying to do things, everybody all at once. I think it's going to be part of the fun. Trying to get something going, and then you all have to attempt to work together. That could be something. I think that'd be really funny. See, I do have something, but the time that it went up, I was at work, and I can't have my phone at work, is the big thing. What I need is I need to make my trading bot, when it sees something like that, I need it just to go and put the order in for me. I need just to be like, hey, market price. Sell it. That's an anomaly. Bam! Get it. Knowing my luck, though, it would sell low. It'd be like, hey, that's an anomaly. You lost 80 bucks per stock. Bam! Sell it. No, please. Please. I have but pennies. That would be my luck. I'd do something stupid like that. Oh, man. Ooh, that kind of took some energy out of me right there. Oh, man. Whew. Like I said, I'm not feeling 100% today, so, whew, man. Anyway. What time is it right now? It's 9:30. We don't really have a lot of time. Because since I'm not feeling great, I gotta get to bed. I gotta go take a test. In the morning a bit. I should probably be rested up for that. TFT? No. 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 Don't you ever suggest that again. That's disgusting. If I want to play a strategy game, I'll go play a strategy game. I'm not gonna go play a knockoff strategy game. Or some, like, weird excuse of a strategy game. Because the thing is, you make these champions and that, but then you have these units and there's no controlling them. There's no, like, micromanaging, there's not a macro management. You just pick, like, the stupid OP ones for the patch, and then just set them up in little areas that everybody knows, and then let it go. It's auto chess. No, it's stupid chess. It's so stupid. It is so stupid, in my opinion, that you can just sit there, you can AFK after you get, like, a couple champions. If you know what you're getting, you get those ones, and then you could walk away, and you could win. Well, someone else that's trying their best to stretch their brain over the game is not going to be able to do anything because you just have units that are just strong, and have items that are just strong. You just can't kill them. Where's the strategy? You're just grabbing OP items. That's all it is. And you're cheesing the system. That's all you're doing. Don't even pretend that's not what it is. You call luck? Any strategy game that relies on luck is not a strategy game. I said it. There, I said it. This comes from someone that grew up playing strategy games, okay? If you rely on luck, you are not strategizing. You can use luck. I'm not saying it's non-existent. What I'm saying is, if you rely on luck, you are not strategizing. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. That's right, you can't. I already know you can't. A minigame one can play while in queue? In queue for what, though? In my opinion, if you're in queue, you should be preparing for whatever game you're playing. Especially if it's a ranked game, you should have no distractions. What's this? Oh. Yeah, sure, save it. I don't think we're going to be keeping that file anyway. Man, you guys are nothing but lurkers, really. Except for you, Chris. Famous was here a little bit. Wait a second. Famous, are you still here? No, he's probably not. He's probably off, getting ready for work tomorrow, I would imagine. I would hope, at least. I would certainly hope. Ah, shoot, okay. Man, that took quite a bit of my motivation to get that going there. Well, hopefully it's something that we can do. I'd be kind of sad if I spent all this time on it and then it turns out that nobody even wanted it. That would kind of suck. You know what I mean? You wonder. I don't know. I don't know. What's it gonna be? What would have been? Do you listen to yourself sometimes? Ever, in fact? Do you formulate your sentences before you type/speak? Just curious. Just a question. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If I stream this overnight? You mean like I let this up and stream and I go to bed? Who's gonna stay up to play it? No, most that would do, that would probably ruin my, ruin, like, my average viewer count and numbers and all that. What do you mean random people? You? Okay. I mean, I could have it go for an extensive amount of time, but I want people to actually play it, because I'm not just gonna let my computer run and take up this processing just on the possibility that people might play it. There is one someone did. Oh, what's it called again? I think it's like Lurks. His isn't on right now. And then like Commander Root. Yeah. So you've got some channels that are like that. See right here? Here, let me turn this down. You know what? Let me just shut this down, actually. No need for it to be on right now. So you can see this is Commander Root's channel. It's a dedicated day to play this game. See, this one, he just has like statistics up all the time. It's been up for 19 hours. People can come and look at it. And this one, it's for Path of Exile, 24/7 statistics. See, that makes sense. He's giving updated statistics on an event that's going on. You can see up here. See, this is cool right here. He's got it up here to the current event. Here, let me not hover over it. Maybe that will go away. Okay. So he's got the current event. He's got the list of top 40 of the 5,382 all classes, top 20 of 344 Shadow, the last 10 deaths. You got the top experience, last 30 minutes. This is the cool stuff right here. This is what you want up like 24 hours. But what about something like TwitchPlays Pokemon? I did that. Nobody was interested in playing it, is the thing. And I don't know why. I had it. I think I still have it, matter of fact. Where's my... Let me see. I think I still got you somewhere. Maybe it's not there. Maybe it's in... Stream... Did I... Oh, did I remove it? I might have removed it. Blue Bleach Sun Ocean, Flappy Sprite. I must have removed it at some point. There's the Twitch Plays. Oh, no, I got it. It's in my VSC projects. Okay, it's right here. It's right here. I still have it. Pokemon Fire Red. It's right here. Look, we can even open it. Can I open with VSC? Yeah. Look, it's right here. I got the up, down, I got select. I have all the buttons mapped. Everything is ready to go right here. It's all right here. And then I even have the where is it? VSC projects. Oh, that's so lame. I must not have the emulator anymore. But I had the emulator. Where would the emulator be? Not... Oh, no, that's not connected right now. It was here. I wonder if I removed it while I was doing a purge. I probably did, didn't I? Crap. So I'd have to redo that. But I literally had it. Yeah, I had it, I made it, and then I offered it for people to play, and when I asked people, nobody wanted it. And that's kind of what I'm afraid this, I'm afraid that's what this is going to turn into, because this is way bigger than Pokemon Fire Red. This is a much more complex process, and we've given it way more. I'm not sure if anyone's really going to want to do it. Man. I don't know. You can? Well, I mean... You'll play Fallout? That's not the point, okay? I'm meaning it'd be best if everybody would. How long is the game? Shoot, let's take a look. Take a look. Average playtime of Fallout 1. Average playtime is Fallout 1. $13.50. Is that... I'm guessing it's like 13 hours. Maximum time 24 hours. Time distribution. Playtimes in hours. 8, 16, 24. Yeah, okay. So hours and minutes. So you're looking at about like 14 hours. But that... that is considering that you have full smooth control of something like your mouse. and not have to type in every single pixel. So you're probably looking at much longer. Much longer. And there was another thing. Here, let's open it up again. Oh, and what we would probably want to do now is, once it's set to go, we would actually have it go full screen. And then you got, like, 3 characters you can pick from, or you can create a character, I think. So let's say, let's take that one. Why not? So take a look at this. Multiply that by 20. Lord. So here, let's say that I was gonna play this, right? And then I take this over. No, like I'm looking around, try to interact with some things. Run over here, try to dodge the rats. Fail completely because there's one right there. So I just want to get you out to the outside here. Oh, are you serious? There we go. Now this character frickin' sucks. Already would have taken. I know exactly. See, that's the thing. That's the thing exactly. There's nothing on the rats. We're gonna try sprint. And see, like that's the other thing. I don't really have it set so that you can sprint. Because you know, double clicking is like a wild thing to attempt to do, apparently, with the way that this game handles inputs. So there's a lot of rats. I'm just trying to punch through them here. Okay. There you go again, the run. So you get to areas and then you get like, see this down here? That's where you gotta go to move around. And then you can do this. You gotta go like to a different vault. Takes you like this. You gotta go to vault 15. What would be the first stop point be? Well, that depends. Because now here's something else to consider. Look at this, okay? So when you travel to areas, they have green right there that you can actually go into. And then you gotta click on, I think this? No, that's not what you need. You just click. And then it has like different entry points and stuff. So you just click on the entry point. Here you are. It gives you your text down here at the bottom. Okay, you got all this stuff to consider. I guarantee, if I recall when I was trying this, there's like a giant damn scorpion in here that's gonna like end your existence. So you would want to like equip your gun in that. But let me just run in here. Oh, it's not here this time. How about that? What do you just walk over to the hole? Oh no, you'd have to do this. Yep, so you gotta interact, so you gotta switch around a lot. Then there's, you know, again, the rats. The good old rats and stuff. You got places that you need to explore. All the good stuff, right? So you think about this. I got here pretty quick. How long would it take you to get to this point? Now, also consider how long it would take you as an individual, but then how long would it take you with other people vying for control as well? That's why it's really funny to try to do it. Take a day. It wouldn't take that long, no. But it'd probably take you a good, like, 15 minutes to get around to doing this. Because you'd, like, once you had the process, you could get it down, but that's the thing. And I need to be here. I need to be here to troubleshoot it and make sure that everything is working fine. So, like, let's say that I let it go all night. I go to sleep, right? Something breaks. Now what do? Now the stream is going. There's nothing to do because it broke. And everybody leaves. Now the stream's on with no viewers. And I'm screwed. You see what I mean? It has to be worth it. It's got to be worth it to do stuff like that. So we can do it for long periods of time. So like I could say, hey, I need to go we call you on your phone, I'm turning my phone off if you do that. I'm just letting you know right now. That ain't happening. That ain't worth anything. There you go. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill that rat because I can. Holy cow, there's a lot of crap. Look at all that. Is it even worth it to kill all these rats, like, for the experience? I wonder. Or are they just annoying? They're probably just annoying. Anyway. See, that's what we'd be dealing with, essentially. Is that kind of stuff. And then, so if I were to set it to go anyway, let's say, I'd want this to not be windowed. I'd want it full screen, right? Done. Boom. Okay, right there. So it'd be perfect, right? And then I'd probably want, shoot, do I have, like, recording? Oh, I forget. When it's full screen, I can't Alt-Tab out of it. Or else it fruits out. So you're basically committed to it in full screen, unless you want to do Task Manager and do all this BS. Yeah, that gives you a much cleaner look right there, and then, like, I could have something set up kind of like this, where, you know, I flit around, whatnot, but I would just, like, hide my camera, basically. I'd give you the full view of the screen, so that you could do everything. Whoa, that was freaking funky, look at that. That's funny that it does that. But yeah, that's kind of what we'd be dealing with that. So, I'm willing to turn it on and let it be able to play. I'm totally willing to leave it on and I can walk away for a bit. But I'm not doing an overnight thing. I'm not doing an all day while I'm at work. I can't do that. I need to be at least in the vicinity. You know, like, I could walk away for maybe 15, 20 minutes. I can come back. Stuff like that. So, if you want... Okay, I'm listening. Go ahead. I don't want the intro. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it. F it. 30 minutes before stream, we play Fallout, then proceed with the stream as normal. I could do that. Shoot, I'll give you an hour. I'll give you an hour before. Yeah, you know what? I'll set that up tomorrow. I'll set up a dedicated scene for you to play Fallout. You know, like the pre-stream game, we'll call it. Why not? Okay? You know, I'll set up, I'll have like little title up above, then I'll have the list of commands on the side that's kind of off over there. And then Friday, well, I might not be streaming Friday. Because we've got D&D on Saturday, I might tack it onto that instead. I might just start streaming on Saturdays anyway. Because Fridays don't tend to do as well. Honestly, Wednesdays kind of suck too. Or maybe today was just the topic, I don't know. It could have been like all kinds of things, but sometimes people just don't show up. Well, I'll let you know if I do a stream on Friday. We'll see. I do have a dental appointment as well on Friday. Well, as long as I don't have COVID. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, anyway, we'll see. I'll keep you guys informed. I really don't got enough time to do much anything else. So, I think we'll call it there. But yeah, I love doing code stuff. This stuff is my lifeblood, I swear. I enjoy it so much. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. But if you guys want more of this coding stuff, please let me know. And if you got ideas, you want me to do something, I'll even do something for you, like, as an individual. I don't care. I love it enough. If you got something interesting, like, let me know. Let me know. I love working on projects and stuff. But we'll call it there. I'm gonna go ahead and get to bed. We play League. Okay, if you're going to propose that, I need you to propose me like a full-on like list. TwitchPlays League. Okay, you need to give me the parameters for it then. And I will decide if that's something that I feel like is worth doing. Okay? If you want to know more, message me after this, and I'll tell you more about what I expect on the actual parameters and that. But until then, I am gonna go to bed, and I'm gonna pass out. I'm actually starting to feel it now. So, okay, we'll see ya. We got that going, so we'll be good. Just memeing? Well, I'm just saying, I will consider it. You just have to have the proposal. Okay? And it's gotta have, like, you know, the features that you want and all that, and I'll talk to you more about it if I feel like it's a project worth pursuing. Alright? Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed before I pass out. Bye, we'll see you Friday or Saturday, or both. Who knows? We'll see. I'll let you know. I'll let you know.